Hey everyone! Is Excel not calculating your formulas automatically? Yeah, that can be super confusing. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix automatic calculation so your formulas always update as expected. So, let's get started. First, make sure Excel is set to calculate automatically. Go to the Formulas tab, click Calculation Options, and select Automatic. If it's set to manual, formulas won't update on their own. Yeah, this is the most common cause. If you just change the setting, you might need to recalculate existing formulas. Press F9 to manually refresh all formulas. This can kickstart Excel's calculations. Next, check for circular references. These happen when a formula refers back to itself and Excel may stop automatic calculation. Look at the status bar for a warning, or go to Formulas, Error Checking, Circular References to find and fix them. Sometimes Excel won't calculate because the cells are formatted as text. Select the affected cells, go to the Home tab, and change the format to General or Number. Then double-click each cell and press Enter to recalculate. Certain add-ins can interfere with calculation. Go to File Arrow Options, Arrow Add-ins. At the bottom, select COM Add-ins and click Go. Uncheck any suspicious add-ins, click OK, and restart Excel. If automatic calculation still isn't working, update Excel. Go to File, Arrow, Account, Arrow Update, Options, Arrow Update Now. If that doesn't help, repair Office via Control Panel, Arrow Programs and Features, Arrow, Microsoft Office, Arrow Change, Arrow, Quick Repair. And that's it. One of these steps should restore automatic calculation in Excel so your formulas always update correctly. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.